Shot, you're under arrest! Possibly jumped in the water.
Moments earlier, dispatch had relayed several reckless driving complaints about the same truck and its 21-year-old driver, Shy.
Any other units to start that with? Go ahead.
Union Zebra 6992. What's going on?
My rear axle snapped. I'm trying to get it off to the side road at least, so I...
UZ 6992. Your rear axle snapped?
My whole rear axle snapped going around this corner for some reason.
Yeah, if you have it. Okay.
Any tow would be amazing.
AAA. Can I grab a driver's license from you quick?
It's invalid.
Okay. What is it? Suspended, revoked,
it's
expired? Okay.
His attitude shifts.
So what happened with the driving, man? We got a couple of calls that you were driving kind of erratic before this had happened.
I was just going down Galloway.
Yeah.
I wasn't doing nothing dumb. Maybe a little dramatic.
Officers decide to give him a sobriety test, but it will be the move he pulls afterwards that will totally blindside them.
Go ahead and put your feet together, hands at your side. All right, so with your eyes and your eyes only, standing still. Do you want to get the hair out of your eyes or something?
Of course.
Okay. Want to give you the...
Actually, that'd be good for the hat.
Yeah. All right, so with your eyes and your eyes only, keeping your head completely still, follow my finger, okay? Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Just make sure you keep your hands at your side, looking down, counting out loud each step. All right, you can begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Gotcha. And you said no alcohol whatsoever
None.
today?
I had
None?
nothing to drink. No, I came
Nothing.
straight from home with my dad.
And estimate the
Whenever you're
pedal.
ready.
All right. Begin. Fairly close, so my partner will just do a quick peek. So you lied about no alcohol today.
I haven't drank. I actually haven't.
You were in 071.
I was drinking last night very hard, yeah.
What time did you get done drinking?
12 o'clock at night.
So midnight? How much? And what time did you get up today?
7, early.
We're not arresting you for OWI.
Okay.
Just know you were still
Am I getting a ride then? Can I get a ride?
I can probably...
You know I ride? Oh, right.
Nope. We're just gonna issue him some citation, and then he's free to go with you if you want to take him. Otherwise, he can find his own ride.
Hold on, can I grab less? Am I free? All right, I'm free.
Well,
What the heck?
he's not good to go yet. Yeah. Well, that doesn't naturally grow under there. Yeah. And there's over curbs and stuff.
I want to see the camera footage of that if it happened.
It's time-stamped. They'll request it.
Let's see it then.
Well, we're not going to show you now. But in court,
And court, I definitely want to see that for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. He was in 071. If you don't take care of it.
They ain't gonna catch me in a different state. I'll be in Texas.
Might put that down just to see if they make it full extradition. Then.
Let's do it. They don't know what state I'm going to. I'll tell you, Texas. Maybe I'm going to North Carolina, Kansas. Who knows?
Mm-hmm.
You guys can't keep me in jail forever.
No?
This is a warning. I know. I got pulled over. Look at this. Ready? I got 3 cool cops next to me. They're f***ing awesome. All right. How long till you're there?
We know who you are. That's...
You ain't gonna find me.
You can't outrun the radio.
Yeah, I can. 100%. I've done it multiple times on my motorcycle.
Oh boy, you're a big guy.
And we have OAR. So if he's going to be a problem, he can go to jail. I have no problem with that.
And as the officers start second-guessing their decision, Shy acts like he can outsmart them all.
I can follow y'all if I want. It's a free world. It's my dad.
Here's the deal, dude.
Here's the deal. I'm listening.
Right. You're getting real close to going to jail.
All right. You guys won't catch me.
Okay, that's fine. It doesn't go away.
It goes away.
It does not go away.
In a different state, it goes away.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to a different state.
I don't care. It's
Yeah.
not for me or something.
Yeah.
That's what it
Why
seems
can't?
like.
Why you gotta pull my dad away to have a conversation? I'm here. I can listen.
ask me a
This is
question.
about me. So ask it.
But I'm not gonna talk to him.
I'll see you when you're here before I f***ing get arrested.
Yeah, just go walking.
Bye.
I'm gonna pick you up somewhere else.
You guys are f***ing assholes. You all know that?
We're gonna hang out here
No,
while
no, I'm not.
Since I go to fuck yourself.
10-4, running west pump.
Since I go to fuck yourself.
Shot, you're under arrest! We have 4 people call on him. Possibly jumped in the water. Negative. I have eyes on him now. He's in the water. Huh?
Calm down, am I cool?
Just come back up here. We can be cool. Okay, I hear you, man.
Am I okay if I come up?
Come up.
I'm not under arrest.
We got paperwork for you.
Get over here right now. Get over here right now. Come over here.
Sorry, I
You do anything stupid, you're gonna get tased. You hear me? Get down on your knees.
I freaked.
If you do anything stupid, you're gonna get tased. You understand me?
I understand.
We got him. William 141 headquarters. Other units can slow down. We've got him in custody. 10-2.
No. Stop.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Do not be spitting in my car.
I spit on my pants.
You're gonna get put in a spit hood.
Alright.
Not again.
Stupid.
Shy was charged with misdemeanor, obstructing an officer, operating a vehicle while revoked, disorderly conduct, and bail jumping ×2. He was soon released on a $150 cash bond, with conditions of no driving without a valid driver's license, maintaining absolute sobriety, and no jumping in the river. But almost a month later, he got arrested again for misdemeanor, operating while intoxicated, second offense, operating with prohibited alcohol content, and operating a vehicle while revoked. And before you go,